Hello and welcome. This is Vukila. We're in the groove section, best grooves. So what I've done is I have a backing track down there, and we're gonna play against a backing track and find out what we can play there, exploring the bass in this series. So let's go on. Let's continue with that. Let's start. Thank you very much. That's the groove there, and you can hear the groove. The key of that groove there is. But if you look at that, that's an E there. E is that. I'm just taking an octave anyway. That's how you locate some notes. You just take octaves and unisones and thirds or something like that. So the way that is moving, it's using the triad formation that I showed you, which is, and this is some, then it uses a scale formation. So we're moving between, this is the 1, the 4, and the 5. Or if you want, this is 1, 5, and 4. Okay. 1, 5, 4. Or 1, 4, 5. Now if you take an octave, it's another 5 here. 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. So she learned to locate those notes like that. It's pretty simple. We're going to do an exercise rigorously to show us ourselves the fretboard, for us to learn the fretboard, so that we can, whenever we are on a location, we just locate the notes. I prefer to talk about degrees of scales rather than the notes themselves. Sometimes I would mention the notes, but I would rather use degrees, because when you change the key or when you transpose, you use degrees to transpose. You don't normally mention notes. You of course you might say, okay, I want a song in G, but I want to transpose it to C. Some would say, okay, I want that song, it's in G. Let's transpose it to the 4th, which is the C. Anyway, this is a matter of preference, but I'll try and do both of them so that you get to understand both of them. So let's go back to the song. So the song was, we said, in the key of E. So this triad, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Now this is a B here. And so that's why I'm playing my kind of a little pull-off. It's actually coming from the 3rd to the 5th. So I'm playing that. So it's actually hitting this I'm hitting the root, 3rd, and then the 5th, then the 4th, back to the 5th. So the main thing is, so I'm hitting for the root, I'm hitting the 3rd and the 5th, and then I go to the 4th. And the other one, let's continue the other one. So from the 4th I go to the 5th. So check it out. I'll just let you see a little bit here. On the 5th chord, which is on the 2nd, I just play, which is root, 3rd, 5th, and 4th. So the 4th is just being played as a note here, single note, and you play that one as a note, and then 4th and 5th as just notes, and then the 2nd cycle. That's when you do that. Then you can do the same with the. very much. This is the explanation of that song there. I just wanted you to know how you move your fingers and so forth. Just get used to the triad formation and then the scale formation, and then you're gonna get any groove and play it. You'll be left with a few grooves that need techniques, and we're gonna touch on techniques on the bass and how you can play them and how you can increase your bass power. I'll show you another formation as well, other formations of your fingers on the bass to facilitate your playing and to make sure that you produce the grooves as the way they were played. Thank you very much. My name is Vukile. I urge you to subscribe to this channel so that I give you more grooves and you get them in time, in good time for you to study them and to improve them and, you know, create new grooves as well. Thank you very much. Bye.